In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set a PIN at a CIBC ATM. Let's dive right in. The first step is to locate a CIBC ATM near you. You can use the CIBC website or mobile app to find the nearest ATM that supports PIN setup. Secondly, insert your CIBC card into the card slot of the ATM. Next, select your preferred language from the language selection menu displayed on the ATM screen. Now, look for an option on the main ATM screen that says PIN Services or Manage PIN and select it to proceed. If you already have a PIN set for your CIBC card and want to change it, the ATM will prompt you to enter your current PIN. If you're setting a PIN for the first time, skip this step. Next, the ATM will prompt you to enter a new PIN for your CIBC card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like birthdays or sequential numbers. After entering the new PIN, re-enter it to confirm. Ensure both entries match accurately. Once you confirm the new PIN, the ATM will process the request and display a confirmation message indicating that your new PIN has been set successfully. Finally, retrieve your card from the ATM before leaving. And there you have it. That's how you set a PIN at a CIBC ATM. Thanks for watching.